Here's Spokane, Portland, and Seattle Railway's 484 number 700 taking a turn on the Oregon Rail Heritage Center's newly installed turntable at the Portland Museum site in May 2024. We are indebted to Don Keller of Air Depot for sharing his video from that day. Built in 1924 for Portland's Brooklyn railyard, this turntable was vital for orienting large steam locomotives for placement in roundhouse stalls or heading out to a train assignment. It is one of the few turntables left where the public can see its operation since the museum relocated it. The locomotive on the turntable is the Spokane, Portland, and Seattle passenger locomotive number 700, part of the museum's collection. Number 700 has operated on excursions in the Northwest and may return to running again. Seen in operation are the museum's Union Pacific SW7 diesel switcher, later rebuilt and called an SW10, and the collection's EMD SW1000 from the BNSF. I'm Fred Johnson for the Airailimages channel. Thanks for watching, and thanks especially for giving this video a thumbs up. We appreciate it.